I am so thankful to my beautiful daughters. They made me so happy today. It's a very difficult time, and they learned how to make it the most beautiful day for me. I am just so lucky. I can't help it just to feel special. I wish a wonderful day for... Thank you to my beautiful daughters and my son-in-law who made me feel very special today. Happy birthday, Dan. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. It's been just wonderful despite all of the difficulties. It's just wonderful. It is absolutely wonderful. So the kids just did an outstanding job of making me special, making me happy. They were just wonderful. I just love them to death. The two kitties didn't come online, but that's okay. We had a wonderful time. I enjoyed very much. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. Happy Mother's Day to Ava, Nava. I really love you very much. Dan, I love you. What a beautiful day. Thank you so much. My beautiful mother. Every flower in the world reminds me of her. The flowers in my garden come with a lot of work. A lot of work. My beautiful friends, my beautiful family, my father, everybody. Happy Mother's Day to all.